He got a ticket, he was free to go, and the officer drove away. But instead of going home, he followed that same officer to his next call, and that decision cost him everything right before the biggest exam of his life.
Did he not tell you exactly what had happened?
He told me they give him a ticket,
Yes.
and then he asked to talk to a supervisor. And then things got escalated and he got arrested. Because my little brother is a good guy. He just finished his university, he's taking to take his board exam. So this thing gonna go his record is school. And
Right.
I know. I did tell him not to talk to anybody else. That's why I tried to talk to several friends because
Let me tell you exactly what happened. His actions were his own. Okay. What happened was he was given a ticket. Okay. He was stopped somewhere else. He was given a ticket. He was unhappy about the ticket. Okay. But instead of being unhappy about it and coming over here to the station and making a complaint and asking to speak to a supervisor such as myself or someone else, he found the officer on another call while he was dealing with something else and decided to interfere with his current duties and his investigation. He was doing something else entirely. They asked him to leave several times and your brother said no. He was getting very irate, so they had no choice but to arrest him.
But
they told
was
him
on the camera, right?
Yeah,
The
of course. Everything was on camera.
And then
You saw where your brother was
officer-
arrested, correct?
No, I just came here. I just packed my car on the sign and
Okay.
and I think I
Well, you
talked
saw
to
where your officer's car, where
Yeah.
your brother's car was, correct?
I didn't see the car. I asked to drive the car, but they said that.
Well,
Okay,
sir,
it's right at the
okay.
movie theater.
You came
Yes,
right there to
officer,
the
I get
movie
it.
theater.
Oh, that's not it.
No,
Okay.
no, that's not it. You responded to the movie theater. Yes? Because I saw you there.
Yeah, they called me.
Yes,
They called me
yes,
by the
yes,
movie
yes.
theater.
That's-
I went there.
that's where
my
you were.
first stop,
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's where your brother was arrested,
Okay.
okay? Your brother was given a ticket somewhere else in the city. He followed my officer all the way down there. You understand what I'm saying? So your brother was afforded several opportunities to leave. Sir, leave. If you have a complaint, go to the station. If you want a complaint, go to the station. Your brother didn't listen. We did give him several opportunities. So that's why he's in the position that he's in now.
This one is good in his life. He just finished graduating.
It's not
university.
gonna
He's
ruin
like
his
my
life.
little-
It's not gonna
because
ruin
in the
his life.
I'm in the medical field. I work at CHI here. A lot of people probably know me. I know a lot. My daughter is on the police explorer. I just spoke to officer about this. I didn't want to tell her anything. I had other friends that told me from me. I despise because I'm in the medical field too. That's why I try to say, oh, the cop stop me, whatever you want, I give him because anything we can get a license taken away from him, and he's about to take the test. So he's not my son because I was sleeping going to morning and someone called me, which I don't even know. And fourth time, I was not going to answer. And then the fourth time, I said, what's your number? An emergency, probably one of the patients. That's why I woke up. And I find out, and his wife is not even in town.
It was a simple citation that would have been done with.
And the citation it was just for something that they call nothing else.
That was it. It was
failure
just
to yield right away. It's
yeah.
what it is. So pretty much what he did is the officer that gave him the ticket was going straight. Brother was here. He turned in front of the officer when the officer had the green light. Failure to yield right away. He would have caused an accident if that officer did not hit his brakes.
and that was aside from the case.
Yeah.
That was done with. The citation was issued and your brother was free to go. He was free. But he interfered in another investigation that they were working that had nothing to do with your brother. Instead of just coming here
So
and
right
asking to
now,
speak to
he's
me.
being booked to downtown tomorrow morning.
He'll be taken tonight to TGK.
And then it's a weekday, so he'll see the judge early and be released on bail.
Yeah. He'll be out by the morning. He'll call you from here and he'll call you from TGK. Again, your brother was afforded several opportunities to leave and go about things the right way, and he didn't. It was a poor decision, and that's it.
I usually tell
But
them,
it's-
whenever a cop stops you, give it away. Cop stopped me one time, so I've been here for 15 years.
Mhm.
And I can tell you, I'm using camera, the car was wrong. He does, and then he's trying to get on my nerve, asking me everything, and every time I say, sir, just give me my ticket and let me go. He gave me my ticket and I'll take it to court. I tell you, whenever it got stopped, I have a couple cops that my friends. I don't even call them and say anything. I say, look, whenever a cop stop you, you just give whatever you do.
You
Because
do
I know
understand,
cops
though, he
doesn't like
was
when you
given
ask
the
them
ticket.
question. I know they don't like when you ask them questions. When you ask them questions, some young ones, not you supervisor, they got tough.
sir,
Because I work at the clinic,
sir,
I work at the
sir,
behavioral health, so
sir.
I kind of know.
Sir, I can tell you guys are related. You don't let me speak.
No, you spoke already.
Yeah.
I
No,
was
but
listening
I
to you
just
since
want
the
you.
beginning.
Yeah. But I just want to be clear, okay? Because you did mention it, so I want you to fully understand and grasp what happened. He was issued the citation, and he was let go. You do understand that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So There was one thing that had nothing to do with the reason why he got arrested.
We'll be done in a moment, all right?
Yeah. Before you go to the station, a long time ago, right? We conducted a traffic stop here. Now you want to put up on the traffic stop here and start what? Okay. No, now you're calm, right?
Neither.
Okay, we don't need a friendly reminder.
May I talk to your supervisor?
Yeah. Okay. You're talking about the station.
Huh?
You're talking about the station. Put your feet in.
My phone is right here.
Put your feet in.
We'll get it for you.
Yeah, you wanna? I believe that's his wife. You wanna hold her off over there?
How you doing, ma'am?
Oh,
Are
yeah.
you his wife?
Oh, no, I'm just a friend. This is his brother on the phone.
Okay, you're John's friend. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, his car's going to be towed as far as now, but
Yeah.
what he did is he talked himself into an arrest. He was demanding the supervisor to call me. Hey, we don't have a supervisor here. You can speak to him at the station, at which time you can call officer stupid.
Yeah, I think we should come, but I don't know if they're going to take him. He said he's going to get
Yes, he's going to go for disorderly conduct, okay? If he wants to speak to a supervisor, he can do so at the station, which is right here, okay? Hear you.
Tell you.
No pass. Nothing at all. Alright. This car will be towed, so be towed by roadway towing, okay?
He's the registered owner of the vehicle, right?
No, we're already started on the tow.
If he's the registered owner, he's the one that has to take custody of the vehicle.
You want to type down the address to our tow company?
Yes. So. Yes. When we get to the station, that's our booking and processing. There, you can make one phone call. You can make a phone call. You can call You can call somebody when we get to the station. If you want to call your lawyer, if you want to call a friend, family friend, whatever the case may be, to tell them. That's up to you, whatever you want to tell them. So then our correctional officer you're gonna get taken to TGK. Yes, that'll be the jail. Jail? Yes, sir. Disorderly conduct. Yes, sir.
12 if you could attach me to K-9 2's call. I'll be out here with you today.
I couldn't hear you.
So the fact that I was hey, this is what not fair. So that's what
Sir, there's a difference between speaking your mind and then disorderly conduct. 50325. We were on a traffic stop investigation when you started. Give me 1 second here. I'm gonna take you out the car. I'm gonna take you out the car. So, yeah. Give me 1 second. 1 second.
I have to talk to my brother first.
Okay, that's not a problem. If you want to dial 9 and then use that phone number, you can, okay? Is that your brother's phone number?
Okay, so let me so what is disorderly conduct?
Disorderly conduct is when you become disorderly, thereby interfering with a member of the public's business, where they stop and watch.
Okay. So when I came, did I ask you, so may I talk?
Yes, you did, but
And
there's a
then
difference
so
between.
I wasn't doing any aggression.
Okay.
So
There's a
fighting
difference
or
between me
create
talking
chaos.
like how we are, and there's a difference between you yelling at this isn't the 1700s. You call my officers fucking stupid. Okay, there's a difference.
That's
okay.
the,
Yes, you do have a right to do it, but when you began to yell to the point where we had somebody who was waiting
No,
for their ride and they stopped to watch.
really, no. The guy, he had a bad day. He had a bad day. And then he just, okay, may I start tonight?
I'm still listening, okay? Okay, son?
25. Dot 031. 22 2.
Okay, yeah, I need to make it update.
The ticket was done. He was free. He chose to follow the officer anyway. Sometimes the hardest arrest to watch is the one somebody walked themselves into.